How to remove Facebook account from other devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can remove your Facebook account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove Facebook account from other devices, all you have to do is open up the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, you're gonna see this type of interface. Then just tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. And then over there you'll find a little gear icon, which is the menu icon, so you can just tap on the menu icon over there. Go to Meta Account Center, then just go to this option known as password and security, then go to where you're logged in option. Then over there just select your Facebook account, select a list of other devices that you maybe don't recognize for some reason, and then you'll be able to simply sign them out by tapping on the logout button. This way you can remove Facebook account from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.